Creating a newsletter similar to Morning Brew in Beehiiv is all about delivering concise, engaging, and informative content in a clean, digestible format. Here's how to replicate that style. Sign up and log into Beehiiv. Start by creating an account on Beehiiv and logging into your dashboard. Create a new newsletter. Click on the Campaigns tab and select Create Campaign to start building your newsletter. Choose a clean, professional template. For a Morning Brew style look, opt for a simple, minimalist template that emphasizes readability. Beehiiv offers several templates, so choose one with a clear layout and lots of white space. Curate content for your audience. Morning Brew focuses on short, punchy news summaries with a friendly tone. Collect daily news, trends, and updates that are relevant to your audience and break them down into easy-to-read sections. Use Beehiiv's drag-and-drop editor to organize the content into digestible chunks with headers, bullet points, and links for further reading. Add call to actions. Include engaging CTAs such as read more, sign up, or check it out to encourage further interaction. Branding. Use consistent colors, fonts, and logo placements to match your brand's identity, similar to Morning Brew's clean, bold design. Send or schedule. After proofreading, either send your newsletter immediately or schedule it for the desired time.